Hello, today I have a 2014 Dodge Dart. The car is vibrate all time, even at idle. And I want to show you what was the problem here. Was the motor mount. I replaced all three of them. I got it from Rock Auto. A good deal. This one not really bad, but you can see the crack over here, so it's almost gone. And this is the passenger side. Is you can see is losing too. New one strong. The baddest one is the transmission one. Like you see, it's completely gone. This is the most vibrate sound come from. And this is the new one here. You can see it's very good. So what I have to do is I have to remove the BCM. You will just need to remove the fuse box, the 10mm bolt. I mean nuts, one in here and one in there. And you need to try to take it out to the side. Of course, you're gonna remove the battery first and trying to get this 18mm bolt out, and that one right there, and of course the three in the front. And you're gonna come to the other side. You're gonna remove the two 10mm bolts. You're gonna remove the reservoir side and the airbox cleaner assembly. It's all around the engine. It's also this two 10mm bolt, and it's easy to remove. So you can see this passenger side, the motor mount, and it's all 13mm bolts, three over here and two over there and one on the side. And there's one that's the same for the other side for the transmission mount. Yeah, that be it. I just shared it. And also, if you still have a little bit vibration, you gotta check your spark plug if it's loose or need to be replaced also. And that be it. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.